video stopped. Once I slide the new shingle under, I'm gonna have to get to these nails right here to nail these back in. And to get the hammer in there, I'm gonna have to lift the shingle up to about right there. All along right here. As well as this one, as you can tell, right here is kind of brittle. So when I get that up to get the hammer underneath, that is creasing right there. Keep in mind how I was brushing before, and that is totally creasing these shingles to get that repair done. So by repairing this, I'm damaging subsequent shingles all the way up. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there, and I'm gonna deem this roof unrepairable.